Hello and welcome. We are here at the island. We are camping at the northern tip of the island this time, and I am waiting here in the other side because my brother is in the other side of the island and the canoe can only take so much weight, so I have to wait here, and then in a little bit I will see you on the other side. So it's gonna be fun camping weekend. It's 4th of July. Hi guys, I just want to know if this is apple or not. Is this apple? I don't know. Panan? $100 nice. Anong dito? Meg. I love you. Hi, such a kitty. Come here. Guys, I'm gonna do the tarp right now because I just get done making noodles for my brother. He's right there eating his noodles. I will eat later because I'm not hungry. So I'm gonna help my brother put up his tarp, and then we will do mine afterwards. So alright, final tour of our setup. This is my tarp. I make it higher because I don't think it's gonna rain that much tonight. If there is, this is my brother. He's so secured. Look like a house. He just ate ramen noodles. So if it's gonna rain tonight, he's so safe there. And this is mine. So I like, it's really nice. But if it's gonna rain, I'm gonna put this down a little bit. But I think it's okay. Alright guys, we are jogging around in the island. My brother is in the lead. Alright. We were doing the jogging and running around the island. So we've been doing this for 30 minutes now. My brother is so fast. He is in the lead. I couldn't catch up, so I'm all alone walking here. It's so hot. Plus my outfit. I can't wait to go back to the campsite and dip into the water. I didn't bring extra clothes, so I'll just probably take this off and then go to the water. But other than that, I'm all alone here walking because he is so fast. I will see you on the other side. She's such a cutie. Nhớ Ya, laka.
Saya tawagan ini deh, ini mag-kontra ka, free.
Gunit. Ayo, ano? Ano, din. Iniglabay ni mo. Imo lang siya bulian. Iniglabay ni mo, bulian mo siya. Masa ka bisig mga ikan ta. that's a little one. That's an eagle. Eagle. You going back home? Come here. I'm gonna take a nap. Meg, I'm fishing po. Nare. Okay. My brother is taking his nap. And I am going to take a nap also. Come here. Alright, we are going to cook lunch and I am cooking where me and my brother were fishing earlier in the other side of the river. It's nice in there. And I am cooking hamburger for lunch. This is 4th of July camping weekend, so it's fun and I love it. It's so beautiful in here and we are hoping that we can see fireworks in the other end and to the east side of the island and of course the north. So we will see. Ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard. You go. Here is your hamburger with
Hamburger.
Where's your hamburger?
Thanks.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You want dessert?
Guys.
Milky Way. What are you eating? What are you guys eating? Huh? There's none in there. There's nothing to eat. Are you eating rocks or what? What are you eating? Huh? What are you eating? There's nothing. None. Sorry. So cute, cute. Sorry. They already ate. But I'm sure they just want to lick whatever they can find. So what's a cutie? Alright guys, we are gonna have a fireworks tonight because it's 4th of July. So look, it's gonna shoot up to the river and I think it's going to be fun. Happy 4th of July. She's waiting for you. Sige na. Ready? 1, 2. Layuan si Mark. Ready? Ready? 1, 2. Gamay ra kulang ay. Gamay ra kulang. Oh no. Ready? 1, 2. Ready? 1, 2.
Layo kayo mo ay.
Okay. Ready? 1.
Mani mo ang kuan dahil? Han?
Pwede dito ko. Kuan ka sa kuan. Bulsa sa kong hammock. Ang bugiri. Bulsa sa hammock. Lamp skewers. Meg, I think this is done. It's really black.
I think the white flashlight is, you can't really see it anymore.
It's really black now.
Look mine.
Oh my gosh! Oops, sorry. It's okay. Happy 4th of July!
Yeah!
Good morning. We left our stuff here last night by the river. So I'm just gonna grab this and make some coffee by the tarp and hammock. My brother's still sleeping, so I walk away from him and do my talking. That way I won't wake him up. It's only like 6:45 in the morning. Oh, it's foggy in the mountain still. It was raining last night hard, but it was a good night's sleep. So I'm just gonna make coffee, make him bacon, and head it home. So I hope you guys will enjoy the video. Here. And this one here. Alright. We are on our way home. We are walking back to the docking area near the cabin. And couple minutes and we will cross the river, and then we will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and comment. Thank you guys.